the chest fly with dumbbells. This can be done on a standard bench, a step bench, which I am using here, or a regular flat bench that you have at home. Come all the way down, lay flat on your back. Your knees can be up, or the feet can rest flat on the floor. If you're on a standard bench, you'll have a little bit more of an incline. Your hips will be up a little higher. The fly position, arms out to the side, breath in as you bring the arms together and fly them back open into a C. You want to keep them in a straight line with your chest. I don't want them over my head or near my neck. Open into a C. Now you'll notice I'm not going way down here past my midline. When I open, my elbow stops in line with my shoulder and does not go past the midline of my body. The chest fly.